Welcome to Oracle Cloud Infrastructure. In this video, I will take you through the steps of creating an instance from a restored boot volume. To know more about how to restore boot volume from backup, check the links provided in the description section of this video. Prerequisites before we start. Take a backup of the boot volume using which you want to create an instance. Restore the boot volume to the compartment and availability domain of your choice where you want to launch an instance. Now let's walk together through the steps of creating an instance from a restored boot volume. Sign in to the OCI console. Open the navigation menu and click Storage. Then click Block Storage. In the Block Storage menu on the sidebar, click Boot Volume. Select the desired compartment to which you restored your boot volume backup. Select the restored boot volume. In the boot volume details page, click Create Instance. Then fill up all the details and proceed to click on Create Instance. For more information on how to create an instance, check out the document provided in the description section of this video. Thank you for watching.